Born to fail, bred to survive. From these streets to the heights I'll thrive.
Life wasn't easy, but I made it mine.
Guys, how's it going? So I got a project here. I have a 2008 Chrysler Town Country caravan motor, blown motor, got overheated, blew it. Ran great, had 180,000 miles on it, but I blew it up. So we're going to swap it, and I've heard a lot about different ways to swap it. You can go underneath, drop it from the bottom, pull it out from the top. Both look like a lot of work. So let's show you what I got going now, and we'll go from there.
Look at me, I wear all my emotions on my sleeves. They are not a great accessory, but at least they can cover ripping seams. How do you cover up its stays? See through, even though my sleeves won't move. I would never put them in your view.
Alright, here's my little shop, wood shop. It's not really a mechanic shop, so limited room. Unfortunately, the van doesn't fit inside these doors. I do have an engine hoist and some air tools. Alright, so here's what I got so far. I took the whole front clip off. That was easy, and it's out of the way. It took about an hour to get all what I've done so far. Got all the major stuff off. Still gonna pull the starter, but the air conditioning pump is disconnected. Alternator, belt off. Took off that air intake cover, whatever. It was in my way. Took out the air cleaner stuff. Got most of the wiring harness disconnected, but I got one wire in the back here. It's kind of a pain to get to. So anyway, I disconnected all that stuff. I got to do the starter. Took out the radiator, got it out of my way. But it said, they say you can take it out from the top, but watch some videos and all of that stuff. All this here is in the way. Water pump, harmonic balancer, this. It's not a lot of room in there, so I'm not sure I want to go that route, but I might have to. They also took this crossover pipe so you can get to the bell housing switcher. Liking one right there. You can see them. Let's go look underneath. I mean, you got this bracket here, and then there's not much else. But the question is, do you take out the transmission and the engine together, or do you try to separate them? Do we go out the bottom, or do we go out the top? We're gonna figure it out. There's your engine mount. Take it one step at a time. All right, guys, we're back. Pulling this motor out of this van, 2008 Chrysler Town Country 3.3 6. It comes out from the top without taking all of the stuff off. It's just tight, and the key is to work it up and down a little bit, take it out straight. Take it up, twist it a little, turn it, twist it, be gentle, and it comes out. So we're gonna go ahead and pull the rest of it out. And I'm on a real funky angle here, so it's not like super safe. It's not super unsafe, but we got our Harbor Freight cherry picker. Just looking, looks like we're all clear. Those 4 mother-loving bolts right there were a pain in the ass. There's one bolt on the casing, almost broke it. Of course, I was being careful, and I didn't, but could have. But that mother-lover coming out. There's the new one. Small victories. took the whole front clip and the radiator out like you guys saw, so no worries there. I don't have to take those bolts out because the radiator only just the air conditioner or whatever the fuck it is.
Whatever it takes to avoid
Alright, I'm gonna stop the video so I can do this two hands. There you go.
take a leap of faith and pray I don't break. 'Cause that's fate.
We are back at the shop for round 2. I'm gonna put the new motor back into the van. So here's our old motor. I gotta get it off of this cherry picker, of course by myself, and cover the motor here.
Whatever happened to be.
Oh, it's an engine. Called Motorsports, right? So there we go. It's beautiful. It's 100,000 miles. Straight off the shelf, ready to go. Around the corner. 600 bucks. 700 with tax and port charge. That's it. We've pressure washed. So we're gonna let some of this dry a little bit before we actually get started. Pressure washed all inside here. So next steps will be figuring out what I need, if anything, off the old motor, and get it off the cherry picker. That one on the cherry picker, and drop it in and see what happens. Hope you guys tune. I know it's not a step-by-step, it's just to show you that it can be done without taking all the stuff off the front, without dropping it through the bottom, without damaging anything. So, there you go. Nice and clean in there. Ready for a new motor. Alright, we got the motor up on the cherry picker, lowering in. Okay, engine is off the It's in the car. You can see a couple bolts in the bell housing. It's all nice and tight. Nothing broke. Might be missing a bolt there. Well, maybe not. Nothing broke. All sensors in place. Did not need to take off all the front end shit. Time to start putting it back together. The only problem I had was a spacer between the block and the transmission that was used to line the holes. Had a spacer on both sides when I got everything in place. So I had to get down in there with needle nose, and it was almost impossible to get to, but I was able to pull my spacer out without having to take the whole motor out. So now we're gonna wrap it up, button it up, check back in. All right, guys, we're back. Motor's back in the van. Everything's running. There she is. Pretty nice van. Just a shame to let it go like that. So really happy. Let's fire it up and show you how it looks. Virtually no issues, a couple little minor ones. You'll see the temperature gauge isn't working, it's kind of intermittent. You'll see a little shut her down. That's why the fan is continually running, because that temperature sensor is broke. The wire's broke. The fan is continually running. The temperature gauge doesn't read, and I can see the signal. But I know that it works, because if I go under there and fix the wire, it won't stay there, but it'll work fine. So that's it, guys. So awesome